Welcome back, everyone. So for this episode, I'm going to introduce you to my own character, which is Osha. Yes, Osha. Welcome to our family. So Osha is a character of mine which I've drawn a few years before. Maybe I was 15 years old or something. And I gave her unique abilities such as water manipulation and water bending, and then control over the ocean, over the river, and something like that. Then you can associate her with Katara in Avatar. So what we are trying to do now is to redraw this character. So I made my sketch prior to this episode, so let me show you. Here's my sketch of Osha, and I'm trying to show you guys a semi-realistic style, and I want to make this episode challenging and interesting for all of us. So I'm gonna show you a picture. Okay, so that is a dolphin, which is a figurine here in our house, and I'm trying to put that image into this paper so that we can transform the dolphin into our own character. So I'll get you guys back later when I'm done printing the image into this paper. So see you later. So I'm done putting the image into the paper. I'm done printing everything, and I'm quite challenged on what will be the result of this piece. So let's start doing it. Hope you enjoy. Welcome back, everyone. So we're done drawing the whole piece and transforming the printed image into my own character. So I'm really surprised that I am able to transform the dolphin into Osha, because I just only imagined that will work, and definitely it works. So you can see the comparison between my drawing from 2015 compared to now. So you can see I've made a lot of changes into my design, most likely into her eyes, into her hair, and to her accessories. So I made her eyes green just to draw your attention, to make contrast into the whole drawing, and as well to her costume. I made some details just to indicate her as a god not just a normal human being with powers. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always think, draw, and inspire. See you everyone. Bye.